Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into the basics of bundles. Bundles allow you to group various services into a single offering, and you can present it as one priced line to clients in both proposals and invoices. Using bundles gives you the flexibility to combine different services, enhancing value for your customers while boosting business profitability. To create one, go to Services and navigate to the Bundles page. Remember, bundles are crafted from services already available in your service library. Once you create a bundle, it's saved as a template, which you can easily reuse and modify from the Bundles page. To add services to your bundle, click Add Services and choose the desired ones from your library. Then set the pricing and decide on the billing frequency. The total bundle rate is the sum of its included services. Don't forget to give your bundle a name. You also have the option to add a description. After your bundle is ready, you can customize it while drafting a proposal. Let's save our work and draft a proposal using our new bundle. First, we'll start by selecting a client for this proposal. When you click Select Services, you'll find a new tab called Bundles. Let's go ahead and choose our newly created bundle. Within a proposal, you have the flexibility to adjust the bundle rate right there. By clicking the pencil icon, you can modify the rates for each service included. You can also edit the name and description of the services. These changes will apply only to this specific proposal and won't affect the service descriptions in your service library. This is also applicable to service rates. Changing the rate for a specific service won't alter the service template in your services page. When your client views the proposal, they will see a single line item showing the bundle price and a breakdown of the included services. They can click on the bundle and select Read More to view additional service details. Once the proposal is signed, the bundle will be visible on the agreement page. Just click the Agreement tab, scroll down, and you'll find the bundle components. You can view the description by clicking Read More. In terms of billing, bundles are billed just like any other service, falling into their respective billing category based on their billing trigger. The invoices will display services with hidden text meant for internal use, so your client won't see these once the invoice is sent. On the client's invoice, they'll only see one line item, labeled as the Bookkeeping Monthly Bundle Demo, along with its rate. For syncing with accounting platforms, Anchor bundles can be mapped only to QuickBooks Online, QBO bundles. Each service included in the bundle needs to be mapped to a corresponding item in QBO. Services created earlier that were mapped to services in QBO will automatically retain their mapping. You only need to map the bundle itself. Here, you can select a specific bundle, map it, click Close, and then sync the invoice to QuickBooks Online. Upon syncing the invoice, the entire bundle structure is preserved, maintaining the breakdown and service order as defined in your Anchor setup. By hovering over the icons, you can see exactly how it's synced to QuickBooks Online, reflecting the appearance of the invoice there. Note that Xero does not support bundles. Instead, you can map the Anchor bundle to a service, and when the invoice is synced, it appears as a single line item in Xero. Individual mapping of services within the bundle isn't needed for Xero. Lastly, if you want to edit an agreement to include a bundle, you can do so anytime. Let's pick an agreement that currently doesn't have a bundle. We'll edit this agreement and incorporate a bundle. Once added, just hit Save Changes and notify your client. They'll get an email about the change, and their approval will be necessary. If you need to alter an existing bundle, simply edit the agreement and adjust the bundle rate through the Edit Agreement option. Keep in mind, if the rate increases, client approval will be needed. You can also add or remove services from the bundle and update the description as required. I hope you found this video useful. A link to the Help Center article will be in the video's description. As always, feel free to contact us at product@sayancor.com if you have any questions.